That is so awesome. So South Dakota has these places that are still wild. There are bison, there are crystal clear streams tucked away in the huge mountains. You can see there's trout. The water's crystal clear. You can tell it's healthy. There's American dippers, which are an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. This is unreal. We're in South Dakota and just caught one of the best trout of my life.
Nice.
Yeah, that's so good. I think it's my biggest rainbow trout.
Owls are coming up here, boys. We'll travel a hell of a long ways to catch a fish like that. That's big.
Yeah.
Welcome to South Dakota.
Oh, no way. There's a dipper feeding right at the bottom of that little riffle. Oh, it's so cool. Everywhere you look, you can just tell that this place has kind of been left as it was. So the animals and the wildlife can remain, and you still have these wild corners. This is incredible. With this bison right next to our car. And here we are driving through Custer State Park, just seeing some of the most incredible wildlife moments of my life, for sure. South Dakota has totally exceeded all the expectations. I mean, we couldn't have asked for anything more.